Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Apache. I'm going to be teaching you how to use Photoshop to edit an icon that you can use on your website. So first we need to turn on the Photoshop application, the Adobe Photoshop application. And once we do that, we want to insert or create a new canvas or a working environment for the icon that we want to create. First, we need to know the dimension of the icon we really want to create. Now, the dimension I want to create is going to be 3 by 3 inches. And dimension, by that I mean the width is going to be 3 inches and the length is going to be 3 inches. As you can see from here, so this is how you actually create an icon for your website, and it's quite amazing to know that you can actually do this without so much stress on your Adobe Audition CC. It's quite very intuitive. You don't need to think so much. Watch my video, guys, on how to use the Adobe Audition. It's kind of very free. You're gonna learn it. It's amazing. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Sorry. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.